Hey, good morning everybody. Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We are at a paver sealing job today. First we have to strip these pavers, and then we're going to be cleaning and sanding and sealing them with the Trident category 5. So let me walk you around and show you. It's not a big project, but you just still need to get it knocked out here today. We lost a day because of the hurricane, but everything worked out pretty well, so we don't have any issues. All right, let me walk around and show you what we got. A small little driveway here. I like the pattern of these pavers, but you can see there's a lot of algae and dirt growth. A lot of the sand's missing out of there. So we'll take care of that. And then over here we have a couple small paver repairs to make. We have a couple that are lifted up, I think mainly from this tree over here. So we're going to pull those up and try to get those reset. And right down in here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's we got some failed sealer going on there. And find that other section, yeah, right here. You can see where they seal right over a bad clean job. You can still see the wand marks underneath of it. And then the failed sealer, it's kind of spotty all over it. So we're going to strip it all off and just start from scratch. And then a small little section over here. Up to the back. Okay, so that's our project here for this morning, so let's get moving. Okay, so we got the repairs all done. We got everything blown off. We're getting ready to lay the stripper down now. We got these pavers that were all pulled up, all leveled back out. There's a lot of weeds or roots underneath that we're pushing up on them. Especially there's little nodules there. But so today we're going to use the tidal wave gel from Trident. This is an awesome stripper. We always have great results with it. So all right, let's get moving with it. Okay, so we're all wrapped up with the stripping, so we'll let it set up overnight. Walk around and show you. So we got all that old nasty sealer off of there. Got rid of all the blemishes from the previous sealing job. Already looks 100 times better, so. And up through this side. All right, so we're back here this morning to lay the sealer down on our driveway sidewalk. We got everything stripped off. We cleaned it, neutralized it, wet sanded it yesterday, and now we're ready to lay the sealer down. So let me show you what it looks like. So much better already. A couple little touch-up areas for the sand. Walk away. Pretty much down to virgin pavers now. So got held up because of the rain from the hurricane, but we have a green light now. supposed to be beautiful for the next couple of days, so I have no worries putting the sealer down. All right, let's get busy. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. I'll walk you around and show you the end results. Yeah, beautiful. This one we did a D1 solution. We took it all the way down by stripping everything that was on there off. So I want to get a little bit more penetration back in. And the walkway. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. And then the walk back here. Alright. Sand's exactly where it's supposed to be. It's got a beautiful shine to it. Good coverage. If you're looking for these kind of results on your pavers, please give us a call, 813-853-3557. We'll see you at the next job.